Welcome back. Today we are staying in Terminal 4 in the Premier Inn in a Premier Plus room. We thought you might want to see what it looks like.
I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
So I'm at the door. You immediately walk into an ironing board and a little makeup area there. And I love these because they light up like that. Hairdryer. A little stool. We've put a suitcase here, but you don't have to.
Too much stuff.
Yeah. The iron is just through there, and you've got this little wardrobe space. Extra pillows, I imagine that is up there.
Humongous mirror.
Yeah,
That's
big
fantastic.
mirror. There's a John. Gives a wave.
Hi.
Vlogger's wave. This little stool that we're using for the backpacks.
We've got too much stuff.
Yeah. A TV. This lovely desk.
Yeah. Another mirror.
Another mirror. We've got the menu for downstairs. Everything about the room. They gave us a Wi-Fi code on check-in.
Big telly. Coffee maker, kettle.
With pods and little chocolates.
Yeah, and these are good. Look at these for Christmas.
Yeah.
These are really nice chocolates as
We're
well.
fighting over those later.
Yeah.
They gave us some water as well.
Yep.
You obviously get a fridge. We filled it with
tiny,
stuff.
tiny
It's
room.
little... Show you the view while we're here.
What we weren't expecting.
We weren't expect. Oh, there's a plane take. You can only really see us, but there's a plane taking off.
What's amazing, to be fair, that's up there with the Hilton view what we had.
Yeah, this was like a third of the price of the Hilton, and the view I would say is maybe better.
I think you can see more of a runway rather than because
We just saw, like-
Heathrow is a taxiway,
Yeah.
isn't it? But yeah, that's not a bad view at all.
Exciting.
Yeah.
This very comfy looking chair.
Emma's feeding chair.
Yeah.
You got
For all
that.
the reading I'm gonna do. I love these little tables that like kind of push on the bed so
Yeah.
you don't get the bed dirty.
We've got loads of USBs as well, what's fantastic around.
And the lamp.
Yep.
Do you want to do the bed test, John? Oh, that looked comfy.
Yeah, you can't beat a Premier Inn, can you?
You know what you're getting.
Yeah.
This-
I think it's fairly new even, it's like
It feels
refurbished.
new,
You've got
yeah.
all the light above the bed as
Oh
well.
yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be this nice.
No.
This lovely piece of art.
Thermostat.
Oh, it's a Carl Sexton's Untitled from 2016. There you go. If you're an art fan.
And a nice bathroom, nice big shower, nice big bath.
Oh, fancy looking body wash and stuff.
Yeah, it's really clean, really tidy.
The loo.
Yeah, I'm well impressed. That will do for the night for an airport.
I can't wait for a shower now.
Yeah, I've got a bottle over there for you, for your beer as well. What was really good.
Yeah.
Well impressed for a night. Wasn't expecting we obviously can't guarantee that unless you book
Yeah.
it, but yeah, well impressed.
Yeah, we're going to go and get a drink, so we
Yep.
hope you enjoyed this video.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.